What's up, y'all? JP the install guy here, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2022 Hyundai Elantra, and I'm gonna show you guys how to take this radio out because I have to get back there to install a line output converter, and I need my speaker wires. So these are the things that you're into. Please consider subscribing. This is what we do here. Anything car audio install related is what the channel is about. From time to time, I like to spread my car audio knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel just might be for you. So this car is ultra brand new, so I'm literally just trying to figure it out on how to take this thing out. It looks like this part is over this part, so I need to take that part off first. This thing looks like it's a little loose, so it might be able to come off, but I think I need to take this part off first. So I'm gonna take our panel removal tool right here, pop that clip, and it should just be all clips. Well, I'm just gonna go down the line. I could probably use my hand for the other parts. Yep. All right. So if your vehicle does have a center channel, then that's where your center channel will be. This one does not, so we're not worried about it. And it looks like we have one Phillip right here, and that didn't relieve anything else. So let's go ahead and take this out. All right, so now I believe this part can just pop up. Maybe it's only held in by clips since we only had that one screw. It's been a little difficult. So it seems like we got this part loose. I wonder if anything has to be pushed backwards or not. Oh. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. All right. Seems like it's held up on something. All right, so as you can see, we got the whole thing kind of up and loose. Okay, a little bit more loose. Now we're held up probably by one more clip. It's being really stubborn. I don't want to break anything, so let me go ahead and take this part off, and then I'll show you what was holding it up. All right, so it was this piece right here. This piece was clipped in to right there, and it was holding it up, but we do have that top part of the dash off. All right, so now you see this part right here is held in by two more Phillip head screws, so we need to take that out. And then I believe it's just one clip that's holding it in. That part should be able to come off. Once that comes off, we'll have maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, or maybe just them top two, and there might be a screw back here, but let's go ahead and get this part off first. All right, one clip. I'm just gonna move that right here, and then we do have one right here. Let's just go ahead and take all of them out. So we got 4 across the top and then one right here. Alright, so now that we got those screws out at the top, let's shoot. That part right there. Come over here and get the other side. That part right there. All right, so we see that we have one screw on the side of the radio right there, but then we also have one screw right there holding it, and one screw right there. So I guess I was at a bad angle, but I did not see that screw right there. So 2 screws is actually holding the panel, 2 screws actually holding the radio. Let's All right, there we go. Whoa, hold on. All right, so we are able to pull that radio out, and we have some speaker wires back here. So this is actually it for this video, just showing you guys how to take this screen out. And if you want to know what we're using to actually install for the line output converter, then you will actually tune in to part 2, and I will be linking that in the description as soon as the video is made. But other than that, if you guys find any type of value in the video that I've made for you today, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I want to take this time to give a shout out to all the Patreons. You guys go the extra mile support me in the channel, so I go the extra mile supporting you by giving you some of that behind the scenes footage, and that is the platform that I'm using to do all my one-on-one training. So till next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Y'all have a blessed day.